Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fatima. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I got my hair to look like this. I'm literally so obsessed with this hairstyle. I feel like it looks so classy, and that's really like the vibe that I've been into right now. So with that being said, let's get right into this video. If you like the video, leave some comments, let me know if you like this hairstyle, and of course what other type of hairstyles you guys would like for me to do. If you're not already subscribed, girl, what are you waiting for? With that being said, let's get right into the hair video. So today we will be installing a unit which is from Alipearl hair. So they sent me 16 inches of their body wave wig. This is what it looks like. All I did was bleach the knots and pluck the frontal. So now we're gonna go into the install and styling process. Before we do that, let me just show you the box that they sent the wig in. They also sent me a scarf, an elastic band, a little headband, silk headband, the wig cap, lashes, a baby hair brush, and also a bag to store the wig in. So with that being said, let's get right into this install process. I'm really excited to be doing this. So I could already tell how I'm going to style this hair. I'm going for like a curly body wave type of look. Like I'm going to curl, I'm going to give myself flat iron curls and give myself a side part, something like this, right? But obviously it's going to look a lot more sleek and better. So yeah, this is 16 inches if I did not mention that. All the stats for this hair will be down below, but I'm excited. And I love Alipearl hair. Their hair is always really good quality. Their lace is good quality. This is HD lace, so I'm excited to be installing this. I cut the ear tabs off, and I also put some cream foundation on the lace. I used the Ruby Kiss cream foundation in the shade 11 and 13. So now what I'm going to do is cut off all of the excess lace. Now that this is ready to install, I'm going to go in with my Ghost Bond glue. I'm only going to be putting down one layer of this because, what's it called? I don't think I'm going to have this wig on for a long amount of time. And so yeah, we're just going to go in with one layer. I'm just going to go in and trace this hairline. Okay, so everything is now glued down. Now I'm going to part out some hairs for the baby hairs. Okay, so now that I parted out all the hair that I'm going to do for my baby hairs, I'm just going to tie everything down. I'm going to blow dry the hair because obviously it does have like a curl pattern, like a body wave curl pattern. But I don't want to straighten it because I still want it to have a little bit of body, so that when I go in to curl it, the hair still has a lot of volume. Okay, so I'm done blow drying my hair. So now I'm about to take this elastic band off and we can start on the baby hairs. So I'm also gonna pluck this a little bit, like the baby hairs. And then I'm gonna cut this short. So now I'm going to hot comb everything in place. Let me just create my part. I am going for a side part today. Okay, so I created my part. I put the Keratin wax stick on top and just flattened everything out with a hot comb. So now I am going to go in and layer my hair a little bit, mostly in the front. And I'm gonna do this with my eyebrow razor. So this is actually the next day, and I'm actually coming back to you guys because I didn't necessarily like the way my hair turned out when I filmed the hair video for you guys yesterday. So I'm just gonna come back. I was editing it, I'm like, I don't like the way the curls turned out. So I'm just gonna come back to finish that portion of the video, the portion where I was curling my hair. So let's just say that we left off where I was adding the layers to my hair. I'm just gonna start the video up from there. Basically, so I have my straightener heating up and I'm gonna start doing the curls. As you guys can see, my baby hairs are already done and all that. I literally just tied my hair up yesterday night and this is what it's looking like. So yeah. Oh, and actually I'm gonna also cut the hair, give myself like a blunt cut, because I feel like the reason why my curls didn't turn out the way I wanted it to is sort of because of the ends. This side is shorter than this side. Oh my god, this side is way shorter than this side. Oh, what the hell? Okay. I'm just gonna recut this side. I think this is more or less equal. I know that this side is a little bit more curled up than this side. So, yeah, that looks pretty equal to me. It doesn't have to be perfect, honestly. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in and start curling. I feel like it's gonna look a lot better now that I have like the ends are just blunt. And I'm actually gonna go in pretty large sections to curl. Oh yeah, that's definitely giving more of what I wanted. so cute. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, so this is pretty much what it's giving. It looks a lot better than it did yesterday. I'll show you guys a clip of what my hair looked like yesterday after I curled it. I think cutting the ends and making it like a blunt cut made the curls look a lot better. But now I'm gonna go do my makeup and I will come back to you guys when that is done. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my makeup. Oh my god, I love this beat. But I also love this hair as well, and also the quality of this hair is really good. Alipearl always comes through with the hair quality. I'm a really big fan of Alipearl hair and their hair quality. But yeah, I hope you guys like the way this turned out. I'm so happy that I recurled this and like finished this video a second time around, because honestly it looks so much better this time around. If you like the video, leave some comments down below. Let me know what other type of hairstyles you guys would like for me to do, and of course subscribe if you're not already subscribed, girl. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.